Hello everyone, welcome back to the Traders Gym. My name is Ritvik, CEO and founder of the Traders Gym. In this video, we are going to discuss about the trend line. This video will be in two parts. First, we will cover the basics about the trend lines and then we will go to the advanced parts in part 2. In this video, let's discuss about the trend lines. The first question is, what is trend line? Trend line is a simple line connecting the two swing pivots. This is swing. Okay, this is one swing, this is another swing. Price moves in swings. Okay, so the line which connects the two swing lows here, this is first low swing low, this is second swing low, or two pivot points. This line is called as a trend line. It's very simple concept as well as very useful while trading in the markets. Consider this as price chart and moving in this way, and the line connecting these two swing points is called as trend line. This trend line represents the trend in the market. Let's go some deeper. Now, what are these pivot points? This is dynamic support. Means first the support was here, then support moves to this point. So as first it was here, then it here came here. Again, if the chart moves here and shows such movement here also, this is the dynamic support. Means the support moving up and up. Trend line indicates this upward moving support. Okay, this dynamic supports, if we draw downward trend line, then it will indicate dynamic resistance. In this here, this trend line is indicating dynamic resistance. So these are the simple concept of a trend line. Let's move to the chart where we will see some examples of trend lines. Let's consider this chart. This is Nifty 50 chart, and here you can clearly see market came here, make this swing. These are the two pivot points. We use these pivot points and draw a simple trend line here, and then market again came here on this trend line. It has taken its support, specifically dynamic support, and reversed from here. Let's move to the second example. Market was respecting this trend line, made this swing, again came, made this swing, again came here. At this point, it took support from here, shown this upward momentum and the bullish significance of this candle, and then you can see it moved upward. If we go down to the lower time frame and draw this simple trend line, this was respecting, the chart was respecting this trend line and taken support first, second, 3 times, and fourth time also it came here, taken support, moved upward. So you need to find out such structures and draw these trend lines carefully in order to be successful. It looks very easy on this chart because its chart has already formed, but you will need practice to find out such structures and get better at trading. We will see some stock examples. This is chart of Delta Corp in daily time frame. If you draw structure here. First, second, and third time taken support from this trend line and moved upward there. Very simple. You just need to find out such structures. Bharti Airtel. I have traded this stock by using the trend line concept. The same by using the same trend line concepts. Here, this stock came, respected this trend line, taken support first, second, third, three times, and fourth time it came here, showing and showed some bullish significance at trend lines and indicated bullish signals here and moved up. I have mentioned this trade in my previous video. You can check this video. Look at the movement. Let's move to the another stock. This is Voltas. Voltas had given the opportunity few weeks before. Look at this chart. It has made first swing, then completed its second swing, showed some bullish significance here, this bullish candle, and then moved up. Okay. In this way, you need to find out such structures. Why do we need trend lines? The trend line helps us to identify the trend in the market in order to take right decision or place right trade. Then we will get the direction of movement, whether this stock is going up or down by looking at these trend lines. And third, the main important one is it indicates the incoming dynamic supports and the resistance. If you know how to draw proper trend lines, then you can make right decision and take right trades. As you know, price action is all about the patterns, and the patterns are made of trend lines. So learn how to draw trend lines properly and become profitable. This is all about the trend lines. You don't need to go so deep. Trend line is a very simple concept, but not easy to draw on charts. You need to practice this simple concept in order to become profitable and get better at trading. These are the basic concepts of the trend lines. In the next video, we will discuss the advanced concept. If you like this video, make sure to subscribe and share this video to your friends so that they will also get better at trading. Also, if you haven't joined my Telegram channel yet, do join it, where I post such knowledgeable content and the trades in the market. If you want to learn all the concepts regarding the price action trading, you can contact me. Details are provided in the description box. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.